Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the first lesson of communication, which involves the very basic conversation or dialogue in English. I think you may already encounter hi or hello and what's your name. So let's begin by read. As you already know, we usually greet someone by saying hi or hello. However, there are other greetings. In the morning, we say good morning from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. After 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m., it depends on your country, we say good afternoon. Also, we say good evening from 5 p.m. or, as I said before, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And after that, we usually say good night when we want to go to bed, or we say goodbye or just bye. Okay? So these were the ways of greeting people. Now let's see an example of how to start a basic conversation to introduce yourself and get to know other people. I'm going to read with explanation to make it clear for you. Mrs. White. Hi, I'm Mrs. White. What's your name? Jennifer. Hello, Mrs. White. My name's Jennifer. Mrs. White, how do you spell it? Jennifer. G-E-N-N-I-F-E-R. Mrs. White, how old are you? Jennifer. I'm 25 years old. And you? Mrs. White. I'm 30 years old. Jennifer. Nice to meet you. Mrs. White. Nice to meet you too. Okay. Now I'm gonna repeat with some explanation, of course. So Mrs. White says hi, I'm Mrs. White. What's your name? Okay. What's your name? So we ask this question in order to get to know others, the person name. Okay. What's your name? So hello, Mrs. White. My name's Jennifer. My name is, or my name's Jennifer. So what's your name? My name's Jennifer. Okay. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? So Mrs. White doesn't know how to spell Jennifer, so Jennifer should tell her. So how do you spell it? G-E-N-N. Like here we have N, but we don't say N or 2N. No, we say double N-I-F-E-R. Okay? G-E-N-N-I-F-E-R. Okay, Mrs. White, how old are you? How old are you? This is for asking about the age, okay? The age. I'm 25 years old. And you? I'm 30 years old. Okay, I'm 30 years old. So, Jennifer, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you means pleased to meet you, okay? Mrs. White, nice to meet you too. Okay, so this was the lesson of today. Let's move now to the practice. So we have here an exercise. Complete the dialogue with the phrases below. Bye. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How old are you? And hello. So we have here two persons, Mr. Peter and Charlie. Okay, Mr. Peter, Charlie, Mr. Peter, Charlie, Mr. Peter, and Charlie. So you have to fill in the gaps and complete the dialogue with those phrases. Either put bye, what's your name, nice to meet you, how old are you, and hello. Okay, so hi, I'm Mr. Peter. What do you think? It will be here. Mr. Peter, my name is Charlie. Okay, what do you think Mr. Peter is gonna say? If the answer is I'm 20 years old, so what's the question? And Mr. Peter, what did he say? Okay, if the answer is nice to meet you too, bye. Okay, so this was the end of this session. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, of course answer the exercise and leave your answers in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. So thank you, until the next video, bye bye.